Welcome back to my channel. So I've been thinking this is what I can do to help me like manage my time a little bit better. So what I decided to do is start in an area and tell myself that it's okay if I don't get to finish it, that I can continue another day. So my goal is to start if I have 20 minutes to spare. Obviously I have to pick that time accordingly because I don't want to get all sweaty if I have to go somewhere specific, you know. So obviously it has to be where I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be home so that as when I'm done, whatever time I did have, I'm done, I can just go take a shower and be done. Because obviously I can't go to a meeting or something like that all stinky from outside. But the weather is amazing and it's making me want to do stuff. So I told myself, I was out here right now, I'm like, you know what, I just need to start. I think what I need to start by first is just moving all the pots out of the way, getting it all out, then assessing each pot of taking it apart, adding, or if it's a small pot, maybe I can take that small pot and add it to a big pot that has less plants, or maybe that the plant died and needs to be replaced. So things like that. So I think that's what I'm doing. And then even if like I can pick up the camera again, even if I'm not done that day, I don't have to feel disappointed with myself that I don't have a complete video, because it's okay as long as I'm recording and then being able at some point to get it to you guys. So I guess that's what I'm telling myself. So hopefully I'm able to stick to that and do that. So for now, I'm going to start with this area, and then maybe later on today or tomorrow, another day, get to this area. Okay, so it's been already more than a couple days since I recorded the first part of the video where I tell you that I'm going to start cleaning and then I'm going to start doing stuff little by little. So that's what I did today. Today I dropped off my daughter and then came straight home to give the garden a little bit of time. And now I just try to complete small projects. So this is the project that I completed, and then I'm gonna stop and then try to continue another day. But I will be uploading this. I guess I will call these vlogs. That's what I'm gonna do. So I had cleaned this out, but it's been windy, and then finally we got our first rain in a long time yesterday. It poured. So my plants were very happy because, well, I mean, yeah, they were just looking pretty dry. So anyways, I like the way this looked. So this is the sticks on fire that I had trimmed. Here's the original plant right here. It was also in that same container and I pulled it out. This is where I had cut it off. I was being very lazy the day I cut it off. I did put it in my greenhouse to dry, and I think the cut, I think I left it for like a week or more. Then I finally stuck it on any pot that had dirt in it. I just stuck it and left it alone, and then I checked on it and it had roots, so I was happy. So then I went ahead and decided to put it back in this pot and yeah, just clean it up. I took out these succulents that were in there. They're just not looking their best in there, so I took them out, and I just put the trailing jade and then this type of aloe. That's in the aloe family. I'm bummed because, let me see if I can find it. When I picked it up before I planted it, it had these beautiful flowers. I'm like, oh, that would look beautiful in there. And as I was putting it in there, it snapped. So that was a bummer, but these were really pretty. I've heard that hummingbirds like these. I'm not sure. Anyways, guys, so that's what I did, and I used my little pump here to rinse out the pot, the mess that I made, and that's it. So what I'm thinking that I'm gonna do with this, I might make a bunch of plants out of it. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm not sure. Like I said, I still have so much to do around here, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do that. I'm not sure. Even if I abandon it and leave it here for a while, this plant will do well because it is a strong plant. So anyways, but that's what I'm doing little by little. I'm just addressing areas, trying to pick up. So the only part of my backyard that looks like fall is this part, because this tree right there, I don't know what kind of tree it is, it does shed a lot of leaves, as you can see. So that's what I've been doing, but I'm done for today, and now I'm just gonna do some cleaning and call some clients. That's what I'm gonna do. So that's what I did in my morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.